Good evening, guys. This is Marvin Gill coming to you from StockMarketPlan.com. I'm looking here at Ultra Oil and Gas Pro Shares. Symbol is DIG. Basically, they track the price of oil, and I'm showing here first a chart that takes you back to 2005, all the way up to the present. I would have to just scroll this way a little bit. Okay. There's 07, 08, 09, and now we are here. Okay, I did this so you can see where we are in the big scheme of things. It wasn't too long ago where we had this level here when we were almost pushing $5. Definitely out west in California and places like that, they have $5 a gallon, even more than that. Here in Florida, we had 4.5, 5. At this level here back in May 19th of 2008 is where we had a high. Now, why am I doing this? I just want to show you what I saw then when we were coming up on this major gap up here. The talk was, I mean, oil here, the price at the pump was probably I don't know. If I remember, it was five and a quarter. I don't even know if it got that high here in Florida, but anyhow, it was pretty high. And you would ask people, you know, what do you know, oil? Oh man, oil's going to $7 at the pump, and this and that. And it's just funny because this is exactly what happens when you have a given market that is hyped up, kind of like gold is right now, you know, and most people would tell you that, you know, at this level it was going to go up to, you know, $7 at the pump, whatever. So anyways, and as they were saying that, let me zoom into this area here. I want you to play, actually, before I do that, before I zoom in, look how long it took to get from this level to this level. Basically a year and a half. Okay? A year and a half. Now, here's how powerful this is. And notice the volume pick up here, okay? The price was going to go to, you know, the sky. Over here, that was the talk you would hear. But anyhow, let me just draw a trend line here. There's that. Here's the high. Okay. Let's do that. Okay, that's the high. Now, here's a major breakdown that happened. This is a weekly chart, by the way. That's the only way I could get this time period, all of it in one place. Actually, let me go ahead and zoom into a daily now. In this area over here, I can't get it in. Let's see here. Well, as we're looking at this period here, again, here's a very clear trend line. And I really didn't even have to have this out yet, which I didn't at the time. And you know, you would ask people when they say, oh, well, oil's going to, it's just taking a break and it's going to go right back up and again go to, you know, whatever, $7, $8 a gallon or whatever. That's all you heard in major news networks and this and that. Again, the noise. And I'm always going to talk about noise here, okay? We're going to talk about that. We're going to define it. We're going to learn to cut through the noise and actually pay attention to what actually matters, okay? Now, again, it took 1 year and a half to get up there, basically. Okay, I'm not really going to count the months, but that's what it looks like, 1 year and a half. Okay, from here, that's a year, and then about a half to get up there. Now watch this. Look how fast it took to lose that value that took a year and a half, okay, to lose the whole value and come all the way down here. It basically took, I don't know, what date is this right here? Let me move this over. Okay, this is basically May of 2008. Here we are at the low, October 2008. Folks, 5 months just to get rid of all of that. Okay, and this speaks volume. When you get action like this, where you know, oil just plummeted. Okay, and you never heard anything else after that. Everybody forgot about $7 oil and everything. Now let's fast forward, and here's where we're at now. Okay, clear uptrend. Let me zoom in on that. Okay, we've got a clear uptrend here. Again, I'm still looking at a weekly chart. I'm gonna zoom in here, which will carry this trend line over. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, there's a trend line I just drew, and we're pushing into uncharted territory, a territory that we haven't seen since basically October of 2008. Okay, so now same thing's happening now. The talk is going on. Oh, oil's gonna, and I'm not saying that it might not. I'm not saying that it isn't. I'm not saying that it is. All I'm saying is it is what it is. Oil's going up. Okay, it's a clear uptrend. It's going up. I just wanted to point that out to you where, we need to pay attention to, I like to look at this stuff because it cuts through all the noise. And boy, there's a lot of noise out there in today's world, and especially when it comes to oil now with Egypt. I mean, who knows? I mean, and you'll see this price break before anything comes out. We're gonna follow it closely. It'll if it does break, it might not break here. It might break here. It might break way up here. But when it does break, the news will come out like 6 to 8 months later of why oil is, coming down. Whether it's, we're drilling in Alaska or whatever it is, this price is going to move first. Just wanted to bring that into you, bring it into context. High, okay, 5 months, we give it all back what it took 2.5 years to build. That's how fast the market can drop. And the funny thing is that people, the general public, I mean, you would talk to people and generally speaking, they would be upset with the traders because I can't believe oil where it is, and these big money guys are moving oil up and everything. But you never heard anything when this happened. It's just a funny thing. You really didn't. And here's the thing that would really make them really ticked off is that, yeah, they made money going up, and guess what? They probably made twice as much, if not more, on the way down. Okay, because traders take advantage of both sides of the market. Okay, you could have shorted this right here. You could have shorted the DIG. What we're looking at right here, like a stock, shorted here and bought and made money on the way down. So I mean, it's just trying to show you guys. If you know this already, I apologize. There's a lot of people that don't know this stuff, and it's just good to know. Just good stuff to know. Again, clear uptrend we're in right now, and we'll just follow it as we go. When it breaks down, I will let you know. Just like I will let you know on gold, just like I will let you know on any other security that you like to post on my blog. I'll be more than happy to look at it for you, and stock, commodity, doesn't matter. Go ahead and go on my blog, subscribe, comment. You can do anything on there, and you can get a hold of me through there, or just comment on one of these videos, and I'll be more than happy to look at it for you and see where let you know where key support and where I see key support and resistance levels. Okay, this is Marvin Gill again from StockMarketPlan.com, and this is your oil report dated February 5th of 2011. Have a great one, guys.